everyone, welcome to this grade 10 maths literacy lesson. My name is Sashen Naidu. Today we're discussing personal income, expenses and budgets. Let's get started. Did you know that governments, households and corporations around the world collectively owed about $300 trillion as of June 2022? That's a massive amount of debt. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to recognize fixed, variable and occasional income and expenses, draw and analyze a budget, and draw and analyze an income and expenditure statement. Here's my concept map. So the first concept that we'll deal with would be income, and then we'll go across from there to expenses, then budgets. Then we'll discuss income and expenditure statements, and we'll end off with budgets versus income and expenditure statements. Looking forward to it. Here we go. Before we begin, remember, percentages of values written out of 100, we use the percentage symbol. Rate is the relationship between two related quantities with different units. If they were the same units, then of course that would be ratio. All right, here we go, pre-knowledge practice. Write 5/7 as a percentage. So it's already in a fraction form, 5/7. I'll multiply that by 100. And my answer is 71.43%. There we go. Next one. What is 15% off 200? So the word off in maths, we'll change that to times. So the question would read 15% times 200 Rand. Now we know exactly what to do there. Punch it into a calculator, and that gives us 30 Rand. There we go. Let's go on. The third question now. Henry earns 12 Rand per hour. How much does he earn in 8 hours? So if you look at this concept, that's the concept of rate. We have two different quantities or two different units, rands and hours. So we'll set it up as follows. The rate of 12 Rand per 1 hour. So instead of using this symbol, we could use the two dots. The next thing we have is how much does he earn in 8 hours. So if you notice the setup, rands tend to fall on this side and hours on the other side. So keeping that line as my division, 8 hours would fall on that side. And I'm trying to find this value. So what do we do? If the numbers are across from each other, like those, we multiply. And numbers above each other, we divide. Here comes the answer. 12 multiplied by 8 divided by 1. And that answer is 96 Rand. So that's how much he'd earn. Right, let's go on to new words and language. Commission, a fee charged for services. Right, then we've got bonus, money paid to an employee as a reward for good performance. Debt, when you owe money. Deficit, expenses more than income. You don't want those two. Expenditure, to spend money, money spent. Next one, fixed income or expense, an income or expense that does not change every month. Income, money received. Interest. Interest is money that is gained from an investment or owed from a loan. So an investment is money in an account that earns more money later. A loan, money that is received but needs to be paid back with interest. Occasional income or expense An income that is received infrequently or an expense that is paid infrequently. Salaries, a fixed amount received by the employee for services rendered. Then surplus, income more than expenses. Variable income or expense, here an income or expense that changes each month. And wages, money paid to the employee for services rendered over a short period of time. Thanks everyone. I think we can have a short ad break. When we get back, I'll pick up where we left off. Thank you.